Hi, welcome to Foodalicious. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe. I'll be adding some very easy and tasty recipes every week. I'll be sharing some yummy Indian recipes and some delicacies which I have tried while traveling. Today let's learn how to make this very easy but super tasty fish pulusu. It's actually fish curry with tamarind juice. It has this very unique tangy flavor. The curry is so flavorful, the fish is going to be so flavorful. All you need to do is just follow these tips and the fish is going to literally melt in your mouth. So let's get started. I've taken 500 grams of fish. I've washed it thoroughly and I've applied 2 tablespoons of salt and chili powder. Mix everything and marinate it for at least 20 minutes. Heat 5 tablespoons of oil. This curry will need a little bit more oil. Take these whole spices. Now grind all the whole spices. I've taken 1/2 of a medium sized onion, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, and the masala powder that I have prepared, 2 teaspoons of that. I'm grinding it into a coarse paste. Now add the masala paste to the hot oil. Mix well and cook till the raw flavor of the masala is gone. Add in 4 slit green chilies and add 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Mix once and cook till the oil oozes out like this. Now add the fish pieces to the masala. Spread the pieces evenly in the pan. Cook for 2 minutes. Now gently flip the pieces to the other side. After cooking for another 2 minutes, just shake it like this so that the pieces loosen up and they don't burn on the bottom. We are not using a spatula because the pieces are too tender and they'll break apart. Now add some tamarind water. Spread the pieces gently and cook for 5 minutes. Now add salt as needed. Mix and then put the lid on and cook for another 5 minutes. Now the fish is almost cooked. Now here's the tip. For the fish to absorb the tamarind juices and the gravy essence, we have to put the lid on and cook for another 10 minutes on a low heat. So let it simmer and our fish pulusu will be ready. Now garnish with some coriander leaves. This is totally optional. If you want to skip this, you can. After that, put the lid on for a couple of minutes and then it's ready to be served. Try this recipe out, and if you like it, please share it with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Foodalicious. Thank you, and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes.